guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited about today's tutorial because it is on this olive green look, and you guys know I am obsessed with olive green. Anything olive green, give it to me. And also, it's because I'm using this beautiful palette. When I first saw it, I knew I needed to have it. I haven't been this excited about an eyeshadow palette in so long, and that is the Smitten in Switzerland palette from BH. Oh my god, let me show you the inside. It is so pretty, and honestly, I think I love it because it's more on the cool tone side. There's still a little bit of warmth like with this Matterhorn shade that I used on my crease today, but it is so pretty. It's so different. I feel like I could create endless looks day to night. I'm so excited. I know that I'm going to be using this nonstop, so I hope you guys aren't going to be sick of me using this palette in tutorials. So if you want to stick around to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. I'm going into the BH Cosmetics Smitten in Switzerland palette. The first shade I'm picking up is Matterhorn. Going in with my Sigma E38 diffuse crease brush, I'm going to start applying the shadow through my crease. Going all the way into the inner part of my crease right here. I'm now going into Mountain. Now with my Sigma E25, I'm packing the shadow onto my lid. Just on this outer half right here, and then I'm going to start bringing up the shadow using circular motions through my crease. And then I'm going to apply this on this inner half. I'm going to keep the center of my lid without any shadow. And then again, start blending that through the crease. You can also just pick up a little bit of shadow on your brush and just start kind of tapping that into the crease area. And then start blending that back and forth. And then packing on that shadow right here. And then in the inner corner. Whenever I apply shadows, I like to go in steps. So I apply a little bit first, blend that out, and then I like to pack on a little bit more to intensify it and make it more opaque. And now bringing back Matterhorn and applying this at the very top of this crease right here. I'm using a really light hand first to just place the shadow where I want. And then I'm going to start doing circular motions and windshield wiper motions to blend everything out. And look at how pretty this is. I'm loving the combination of this olive green fading to this orange. To highlight my brow bone, I'm going into Snow Cap. With my Sigma E54 medium sweeper brush, I'm going to highlight my brow bone right here first, and then because this is a nice skin tone matte shadow, I'm just going to apply it right here just to make sure that the shadow didn't go up too high, and then going back in with my E38 just to diffuse that out. As a base, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Light Sand. I'm picking up the smallest amount of this concealer on my Sigma F70 concealer brush and just applying that in the center and buffing that out. And that's going to be the base for the next shadow that I'm going to apply. For the center of my lid, I'm picking up Mount Rigi. So I'm picking up the shadow on my finger and I'm going to start swiping that on the center of my lid. And then just picking up Mountain again. And just tapping that right on the edges of where these two shadows will meet to help blend everything out. With my Sigma E54 medium sweeper brush, I'm applying Matterhorn on my lower lash line. And then with my Sigma E15 flat definer brush, I'm first applying this really close to my lash line. And then I'm going to start smoking that out, making sure that Matterhorn is still peeking through at the bottom. I'm now going into Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in Mildew. I'm now going to line my lower waterline. I'm now going to apply some mascara and false lashes, and I'm using the Carity 3D Foam Ink Lashes in Jamie. And that's the eye look done. Now for my lips, I'm first going to line them with this NYX Cosmetics Lip Pencil in Nude Beige. And now I'm just going to slightly contour my lips. Now to fill in my lips, I'm going to go into this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Cairo. And now to make my lips a little more juicy, let's add a gloss. And I'm going to go into the Ofra Lip Gloss in Rodeo Drive. This gloss is so pretty. And that's it. This is the completed look of my olive green halo smoky eye. I hope you guys enjoyed. This palette is so beautiful. All of the travel series palettes from BH have been my favorite and go-to palettes. I can't stop using them. Honestly, not even a single one has disappointed me, and this one has to be my favorite. I can't wait to create more looks using it, so I hope that you guys are excited to see more. So if you want to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, that'd be right here, as well as down in the description box, and also a list of all the products that I used today, along with my brush set with Sigma that I used to create this look, will be down below in the description box for you guys to find everything easier. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload. And I think that should be it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!